Hello everyone and welcome back to my vlog. Today is Thursday. I'm going to tell you what I did today to arrive at a weight of 65 kilos when I woke up, which is a net loss of 300 grams since yesterday. And it's also a net loss of 5.2 kilos in 38 days, 11.4 pounds in 38 days. I broke my fast at 10:45 a.m. fasted for 16 hours and I broke it with my protein shake. I only, which is good already, but I only walked 9,903 steps for 6.8 kilometers. I didn't make it through the gym. I did halfway in a scooter. I had an apple, a little break on the beach. I wasn't tired or anything like that, but it was just, I felt like taking a little break and doing some work. So then I made it to the gym. I did a leg workout. It was really hard. On a scale to 0 to 10, I would give either 5 or maybe 6. Deadlift, squats, a lot of machines. So yeah, I'm very sore today. So I really did put a lot of work in that workout. It was good. It was good. I felt energized. So leg days are always a bit harder than upper body days anyway. I had my last meal at 5:30 and finished eating at 6:15 p.m. I started with the same food that I had on Monday. So the mushroom, corn and potato soup, but I added black beans instead of lentils just to switch it up a little bit. And I realized that the color is not the nicest, but it's always going to be like that when I add beans to a soup. And that's okay. It tastes fabulous. My main meal was the hake fish, broccoli, quinoa, and broccoli. I had crackers and blue cheese and then finished with chocolate. I had as much chocolate as I wanted after having about, I don't know, this quantity. It was enough for me, to be honest. I didn't need much more. So I was satisfied. Yesterday was a total calorie intake of 1,504 calories. Protein intake was 88.5 grams. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.